This has got shape, see? So even if you're wearing it on its own, which it is designed to be able to wear on its own, you have this shaping in here. Can you see that? You have that little bit of shape, and then it goes wider in the hem, and that is going to balance your belly. It's about creating a sense of balance. It's not about perfection. None of this is about being perfect because none of us are, girlfriends. I'm telling you, I have styled so many different women for the last 20 years, and we all have our stuff. We all have our issues. We all have the things that we don't like about ourselves. And even if in a certain stage we really love things about ourselves, things are gonna shift because we get older, our body changes, our lifestyle sometimes changes, all of those things. Okay, so this again also can be worn with a belt, so you can belt it. Okay. And there's another little method that I'm going to show you with the magic blouse that we discovered of late. And that's what's so fun about these lives is that you can discover this. You can actually, oh, I lost my train of thought. We discover things together, which is really fun.